In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install new speakers or audio devices onto your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system item on the left panel, and then on the right side, go down and select sound. And then underneath output, select where it says pair a new output device, select the add device button, and then walk through the on-screen prompts. And that should hopefully be about it. If you're using a plug and play device, like, just actually has like a physical connection, usually it would install automatically. You wouldn't have to go through this. This is really for Bluetooth connected devices. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.